Hello! My name doesn't matter, but what matters is that I am a billionaire. That's right, bitch. I have so much money. Oh wow, I have so much. I am not an actor promoting a scam. Oh no, that's not me. In this next lesson, I will show you how I got rich and how you would get rich too. All right, tip number 1, the most simple one. Invest funds in a fluctuating market on both ends of the Wall Street spectrum, as well as on various selected stock exchanges, with an earning calculated on the index of the descending inflation. Now that we are all on the same page, here is tip number 2. The average person spends money on music concerts, restaurants, and friends hangouts. Replace music concerts with staying alone. Replace restaurants with instant noodles. And replace friends hangout with depression. Tip number 3, find the right person to invest your money with. For example, you could transfer your money to a professional like me, and I will take care of your funds because I'm quite fond of them. In less than 3 months, I can guarantee you, and this is based on my knowledge, listen to me, in less than 3 months, I can guarantee you an email confirming I have received your money. Wow! Did you listen? Tip for you: beware of scams. My fund is 100/00 risk free. Really? Yes! All we need is your name, email address. You don't have to give your credit card information. You will, however, sign an agreement saying that I can use your identity to make transactions. If you don't believe me, my own family has invested in my fund, and listen to what they have to say. Hi, I'm his twin brother. This fund is great. He's a genius and everyone should invest. My son is very clever. This fund is great. He's a genius and everyone should invest. I confirm. He is very clever. This fund is great. It's amazing. You see, my work speaks for itself. Final tip, I like humor. Final tip, the most important one, you have to dream big. I dreamt of owning this pool, and thanks to my investment fund, I have successfully succeeded successfully.
Hey, I want to go swim. Are you done yet? You've been hogging this place the entire day. What the hell is with the camera? You know this place is for everyone, right?
Okay, can I have two more minutes, please? It's about to get dark. I need 2 more minutes. Okay, 2 moments. 2 moments. Okay. Following the success of my fund, I now allow strangers to swim in my private pool. You could be that guy too. Don't let others rule you with their rules. You decide your future, bitch.